It is 12:26 on this Wednesday afternoon, and it's really heating up out there. In fact, I've had a lot of sunshine out there to help do that, and the gusty winds have really settled in too, ushering in that lower level moisture. But let's take a look right now, courtesy of Sky 5 out there. Really a pretty day across the valley, and temperature-wise, it's 94. But notice we have that southerly wind kicking at about 17 miles per hour, so you have to factor in the humid air, and of course it makes it feel even hotter than actual temperature readings. So if you figure it's about 5 to 10 degrees hotter than actual temperatures, it feels like 110 in Rio Grande City, feels like 105 in Raymondville and Harlingen this afternoon. Very steamy situation in McAllen today at 107 is your feels like temperature. So the rest of the day is only going to get hotter, so you can imagine these numbers will either stay or even go up a couple of degrees before it's all said and done. Future track shows that we'll have a good amount of sunshine mixing in with those clouds, maybe a few more sprinkles of rain in the lower valley near the coast, but I think for the most part we're done. And it looks like overnight we'll have a few clouds in the sky. Temperatures, because of those clouds, that acts like a blanket, keeping us nice and warm. We'll be near 80 tonight. And then as we head into tomorrow, we start relatively clear, and then throughout the day we'll have plenty of sunshine and breezy hot weather returns. So as we take a look at your valley high temperatures today, 92 at the coast to about 99 when you go into Weslaco, Harlingen, and Raymondville, 96 for you in Brownsville, triple digit heat for the upper valley, 100 to 103 degrees. And if you look at your temperature trend over the next few days, it only goes right back up to triple digit heat tomorrow and for Friday. No big changes as we head into the weekend. So if you do, or if you are planning out to go to that total eclipse of the sun 5K on Saturday, this is not when the eclipse is. We'll talk about that in a second. But this is at Benson Palm Park to kind of get everything kicked off. There'll be a 5K out there. Starts at 7 in the morning, and 8 temperatures at that hour near 81. We'll be warming up with partly to mostly sunny skies by 11 o'clock that morning, 94. The rest of the afternoon will be spent in the triple digits. So yeah, it's going to be a hot afternoon for the weekend ahead as well. So as we take a look at your solar eclipse, this is exactly when it starts. So it starts at 11:47 on Monday morning, and then what's going to happen is the sun moves, and then as it moves, max eclipse will be at about 1:14, and in the valley you'll see about 51% of the sun eclipse. But do not forget, you have to have certified solar glasses to look at that. So don't do it with sunglasses. You'll hurt your eyes. You don't want to risk going blind. So as you take a look here, it'll be over pretty quickly by 2:41. This when the total eclipse will end. So it's really a cool event though. First one in about 38 years. So coast to coast, first one in about 99 years. As we take a look at the tropics, Hurricane Gert is still sitting out there off the northeastern coast, turning away as a Category 1 storm. Looks like it'll stay offshore, but it could strengthen to a Category 2 later on today or tomorrow. Meanwhile, back over the central Atlantic, we're watching these particular waves. They all have about a 40% chance of developing into a tropical depression over the next 5 days. So the tropics are definitely heating up. This one looks like the first one, the closest one, looks like it'll be moving more westward than all of them. So we'll be watching that as it moves into the Western Caribbean. It's where a lot of the spaghetti models take it. Now, as we take a look at our own coastal forecast for today, we do have a small craft advisory for the Laguna Madre until 9 o'clock tonight. The bay is going to be very choppy out there, so be careful. Then tomorrow, back to triple digit heat, sunny, hot, breezy as we head into the weekend, 99 and 100 with a few extra clouds in the sky on Saturday. Mainly dry for Monday and Tuesday, still pretty hot in the upper 90s. Your overnight lows will stay in the upper 70s for the next 7 nights. And that's your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Gabriella, back to you.